Nigeria. The honest truth is, I always try to figure out solutions in my head, and also always try to work out things I feel I can do in my capacity to support the country, support the system, support humanity and all of that. But the honest truth is, also seeing like in this case, because especially in recent time, everything don't share anything. And what I have noticed is, when people, because most of these things are politically motivated, when people want to bring down a government, that is when things like this happen. Is the current government doing what they should be doing? I don't think so. Are they doing half or quarter of what they should be doing? Not at all. But they're all the same thing. And those that try to, those who contested and lost, is the same thing. And those moving from one party to the other is the same bunch of people. And the minute they have an agenda and they feel, look, let's disturb the peace of the people again, they create chaos. And personally, I feel that is why all of these things, that's why one because this minute they will announce, oh, they've kidnapped this, the next minute government will intervene, and then one they want to rescue. But don't rescue. Did they arrest the perpetrators? Did they make any arrest at all? That would never be. I'm a bit of a. Are we gonna continue like that? I don't know. What is the solution? I don't know. Everybody will say, oh, get your voters card and vote out the people you know. Who are the people? It's all bunch of the same people. The same people. It is worrisome. It is worrisome. And all I want to do is, I just want to pray for those who have been affected badly. And I want to also, the year is coming to an end. People have plans to travel. People have plans to celebrate. People have plans to rejoice, with family and all. When we move around, I pray that the Almighty God's protection will be upon all of us. I pray that we will never be part of, or we won't have shares in all of these things. Just like we normally would say, but at the same time, I think in our own individual capacity, whatever it is we can do to reduce or curb or deal with this current situation, I think we should do it. Along with Ire.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.